When procuring your insurance, you may need more than just insurance. You may have a very specific set of problems that you would like to have addressed. You might be looking for training and development for your people. The list goes on and on and on. And one of the ways that buyers go about fixing this is they do what's called a request for proposal. In a request for proposal, you as the buyer basically create the framework or the ground rules on which the agencies are going to compete. You need to really line item out every aspect of the insurance and risk management program that you want them to contemplate. Now, if you're a risk manager and you're responsible for making the buying decisions for your organizations, by all means, a request for proposal could probably lead you to a broker selection process in all actuality, but you have to be savvy and you have to have the framework in place and you have to know what it is that you want and what it is that you need. And I'm gonna just be blunt with you. Typically, requests for proposal are not for companies who need a lot of heavy lifting and risk management help. Typically, they are companies that already have very established risk management functions, dedicated resources in that risk management function, and they know exactly what they need, and they're really not coming to have you do everything for them, but rather to supplement your expertise and resources with their stuff. So, request for proposal is one way you can go about this, but honestly, it's something for those that actually already have a really good handle on their risk management plan, because simply creating the specs for that request requires a lot of knowledge. Now, we can help you build a request for proposal if that's something that you're looking for. And in fact, in this post, if you click down here, you can download a tool that I created that explains to you how you can create a request for proposal for insurance. And I think that you'll probably find it pretty darn valuable. If you have questions, if you want to pick my brain a little bit, I'm not the guy that's going to always try and sell you something. I'm happy to educate you, and if you find alignment and values with my firm, then I'm happy to represent you. But that's not the expectation. I'm happy to educate, answer questions, and just be here as a resource. But if you need help with a request for proposal, I urge you to take the step to download the tool that we have below, because I think it'll make a huge difference for you and it'll keep you on the right track, especially if it's your first time.